Next chapter, that is harmonics and filters. So in this chapter, what are the source of the harmonics on AC as well as DC lines in HVDC transmission system, and what are the harmful effects and how it will be reduced. First, the source of the harmonics. Sources of the harmonics in AC and DC lines. Of HVDC transmission system. As the sources, the AC and or DC converters are the sources of harmonics on AC as well as DC sides of the HVDC system, and the harmful effect of the harmonics, that are possibility of resonance of the transmission circuit, and a high frequency harmonics enhance the interference with communication networks. So mainly source that will be AC DC converter. This is the main source, and it will affect the resonance, and that will be interference, high frequency interference the communication networks. And to reduce the harmonic amplitude, series and shunt filters are installed on the both side of the AC and DC sides. So the shunt capacitor of the filter are helpful to supplying the reactive power to the converter, and a smoothing reactor, that is choke, is installed on the DC side to limit the harmonics. So main problem, that is how to reduce the harmonics. So using smoothing reactor and series and shunt filter in the AC and DC side, and a smoothing reactor is installed in the DC side to limit the harmonics. The series and shunt filters are installed in AC and or DC sides, and smoothing reactor is installed at the DC side to limit the harmonics. Okay. Then another point of view, how harmonics are generated due to HVDC link. So it will be generated in HVDC system. There is always a firing angle and extinction angle. Due to this, voltage and current wave are not similar. So basically a HVDC link can be considered as a non-linear load. So the voltage wave is assumed to be sinusoidal, but the current wave is not the sine wave. So according to the Fourier series analysis, the current wave can be expressed as summation of average value and a set of sine and cosine waves of different frequency. So harmonics are generated into the system. So another point is discuss the effect of effect of injection of harmonics in the system. So effect of harmonics, that are the different problem are arises due to injection of harmonics. Number one, that is the fundamental frequency component of current wave, say, comes into active power contribution. So, but the value of the current is greater than of that fundamental frequency component. So, the active power loss or heat loss increases the whole system. And another point is telephone interference. Another point is if a series resonance occurs, then huge over voltage may occur. And another point is instability of converter controls. Another point is interference with ripple control systems used in load management. So these are the effect of injection of harmonics in the system. Another point, type of the filter. Type of the filter, types of filters. There are basically two types of filters that can be used in HVDC system. This is active filter and passive filters. Also, according to the allowing and or disallowing of frequency, filters can be classified as high pass filter, low pass filter, band pass filter and band reject filter. According to the use of different system, they can be classified as AC filter and DC filter. So active filters are costly, but the several advantages over the passive filter. So next point to discuss, configuration of different type of passive AC filters. So passive AC filters, those filters that is omega R equal to 1 by root LC as the resonance frequency and inductive reactance equal to capacitive reactance, then that is x0 equal to omega RL equal to 1 by omega RC. So that will be equal to L by C. So both filters become identical. That condition R equal to G equal to 0. In that case, impedance of the filter is purely reactive and becomes 0 at H equal to HR. So H equal to HR, that is the order of harmonics for which filter is designed. It's just like this. This is R, L, C. Another point of view that will be, this is L, this is C, and that parallel is called G. So there is a filter design. So the next point, that is various sources of harmonic generations in HVDC system. So harmonic generation. An HVDC transmission system consists of rectifier and inverter, so whose operation are generates harmonics on AC and DC side of the converter. So main three sources, number one, that is transformer, number two, AC generator, number three, that is converter along with its control devices. So what are the process to eliminate this? Number one, process of elimination of harmonics. Number one process, that is increasing the pulse number. And number two, that is use of filters. So increasing the pulse number, how it possible? From the analysis of the converter, it is clear that the harmonics entering in the AC system that can be greatly reduced by increasing the number of phases at which the converter operates. Though theoretically it is possible to increase the number of pulse, that is from 6 to 108, and the method demand more expensive transformer. Therefore 12 pulse normal operation is usually the most suitable arrangement. And another point, that is use of filter. Use of filter, any reduction in harmonic output of the converter beyond the achieved by an increase of pulse number must be done by the use of harmonics filter. From the economical point of view, it is common practice to use 12 pulse converter. So a filter is a network that responds more vigorously at some frequencies than others and reduce the amplitude of one or more fixed frequency currents or voltage. They normally consist of one or more LC tuned circuits. that is like this LC tuned circuits. With fairly Q, that will be just like high Q means value of 40, and can also comprises a high pass filter. However, the damping circuit is to reduce either the overshoot or rate of rise of transient current or voltage with unusually low Q, means quality factor, that is equal to 1 or less. That will be facing the real problems. For high Q, that is very fairly no problem is arises. So thank you for watching the video.